Hello there! Today we are going to make a nature drawing. Well, let's open our book and see what do we have. We have a beautiful picture right here. We have leaves and branches here. All we have to do is start by making the leaves first. We will have to carefully check the places where the leaves are connecting the stem and from where the trunks of a tree are rooting out. Let's see the thickness of it and make the leaves slowly and nicely. We also see a few leaves being overlapped one on top of another. Let's make them together. This looks very interesting. These are the lines which we are supposed to make inside the leaf. So let's make it for a few of them and then later make it with the help of our sketch pen. After that, let's start by making the trunk of the tree. Carefully see where the branches are meeting the trunk of the tree. We see a few wrinkled portions here. Just like a human being's skin, we see a lot of wrinkles on top of the bark of the tree. That's such a big similarity, isn't it? That's amazing. The next part we do is erase the parts which we feel are not right and redraw it. After we are done with this, we will start painting this. Well, this is going to be a little difficult for us to paint as it has very thin parts to paint. Let's take our green color and then start by painting this. We will take a darker shade of green and a lighter shade of green. After that, we will start by painting the leaves slowly and precisely. Do not take a lot of paint on your paintbrush. If you do so, there are chances that your paint may go out of the line. Take very little paint and start painting the leaves. Yes, the darker color is supposed to be done in the stem and the lighter color is supposed to be done in the leaves. We are going to paint it in such a way that we see a merger between the dark green and the light green. The next thing we do is take a brown color and an ochre color. Let's take the brown color in our palette and do these parts. It seems to be a very dark color. Hence, we will do it only on one side. And now, let's start by taking our light brown or our beige color or ochre color and merge it with our dark brown. It is going to look something like this. This looks very interesting. Finally, let's take our sketch pen and start sketching this. Go ahead by sketching the entire outline of the plant. Sketch the leaves slowly and nicely and use the tip of your sketch pen to do so. Now, let's take a micro tip pen, which is a very thin pen for this part. Well, yes, we do not have to do any mistake while doing this. And a sketch pen is comparatively very thick for such a part. Hence, we will take a micro tip pen and do the outline here. After that, let's use our black sketch pen for this part. Yes, we will be doing the outline of this slowly and carefully. This looks very interesting. And look at that, our entire trunk as well as the leaves are ready. This is amazing.